I love when that happens. Right when you get to the light, it turns green. It's perfect. Anyway, guys, welcome back to the channel. Elijah Porter here, and thank you for watching this video. As you can see, it's another beautiful morning here in South Florida, and as you may have been able to tell from the title, I'm headed to my last Supercar Saturdays, Florida. So real quick, if you don't know what Supercar Saturday is and you live around the Pembroke Pines area, it happens every second Saturday at the shops at Pembroke Gardens. Huge supercar show, and I was actually saying that, like, the amount of cars and stuff that are there every month, when I was younger, this would have been like a once in a year kind of big festival thing, but I'm so lucky that where I live, I get a big supercar show like this every month because I'm a huge supercar fan. So it's a pretty cool thing that I get to watch this every single month. But as I mentioned, this is my very last one, and I will explain to you exactly why. Stick around, guys, and enjoy today's video. So as I've hinted in a couple of my previous videos, I'm moving away from here. Right now we live on the east coast of Florida, halfway between Fort Lauderdale and Miami, kind of. And we're moving over to the west coast of Florida, over to Fort Myers. So my wife and I have planned on moving over there for a while, just because of family stuff, but we hadn't planned on moving there for a couple more years, but we actually were kind of forced over there, and I'll spare you all the details, but here's the essential stuff. Right now we rent a townhome. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath townhome. We have the 2-car garage underneath, and we've honestly been getting a pretty sweet deal. Well, when we went to renew our lease, we expected the rent to be raised, you know, a couple $100s. You know, the times are crazy, so we expected that, but they actually raised our rent $1,000, and that just wasn't really doable. And so we decided to move. It all came together really quickly. We got that information, and we just said, hey, maybe it's time for us to start looking to the West Coast. That week after we found out we kind of needed to move, there was a career fair over there, and we went there and both got offered jobs, but we are moving over there and we're getting an actual house. So it's pretty awesome. It's a house with a pool, all that good stuff, and it's gonna be awesome. Anyway, maybe I'll show you where we live later, but today's video is just kind of gotta be just a little daily vlog. We're going to Supercar Saturday now, as I mentioned. We're not going to be hanging around there very long though, because the F1 sprint race at Austria starts at 10:30. I don't really know how much vlogging I will do while we're there. I've already had, you know, videos of Supercar Saturday on my channel forever. I also bought the new DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, so I really want to go try to fly it today. And yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do, but I'm gonna bring you guys along. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Let's get to Supercar Saturday.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
I bought a new drone yesterday.
That's my first drone. It's the DJI Mini 3, and I was all excited yesterday. We got it home. I took time to set it up, watched all kinds of like tutorial videos, all kinds of stuff. And then, of course, my house happens to be like so close to a zone that you can't fly in. So we're actually going to a park today to try to fly it. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. All right, well, first successful little flight is completed. The cops are here. All right, well, I did the tutorial, so I guess now I'll switch to some video of the drone, like of the video from the drone. Alright, so my first flight was pretty successful, I think. Hopefully that footage was interesting. But now Kathleen's going to try to fly it, so. There you go. We just took it up to its maximum altitude. There's no way you would be able to see it, but it's crazy. We can see like the whole city, like at Fort Lauderdale and stuff, and we're way far away.